Turkey's defense and aerospace industry has achieved yet another breakthrough as its next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, the Kızılelma, successfully completed a landmark afterburner engine test and demonstrated weapons integration with the domestically developed Aselsan Tolun precision-guided munition. This dual milestone not only highlights the rapid progress of Turkey's ambitious defense modernization program, but also underlines the country's drive toward developing indigenous, cutting-edge technologies that promise to reshape the future of aerial warfare. A leap beyond traditional drones. The Kızılelma, developed by Bayraktar Technologies, is unlike the UAVs that dominated conflicts over the past 2 decades. While earlier drones such as the Bayraktar TB2 became globally known for their cost-effectiveness, reconnaissance capabilities, and ability to strike with lightweight munitions, Kızılelma represents an entirely new class of jet-powered unmanned fighter aircraft. Equipped with stealth design features, high thrust, and advanced avionics, the drone is envisioned to perform tasks previously limited to manned combat jets, including air-to-air engagements, suppression of enemy defenses, and high-speed precision strikes. The successful afterburner test is particularly significant because it elevates Kızılelma into a performance bracket rarely associated with drones. An afterburner, typically used in fighter jets like the F-16 or Su-35, provides a powerful boost by injecting additional fuel into the jet pipe, allowing the aircraft to achieve supersonic speeds. By adapting this technology for a UCAV, Turkey is signaling that its unmanned systems will not be confined to subsonic, limited-speed operations but will instead rival the performance of traditional fighter aircraft in terms of speed, maneuverability, and mission versatility. Tolun munition. Precision firepower for a stealth fighter drone. Equally groundbreaking is Kızılelma's integration with the Tolun smart munition, developed by Turkey's defense electronics giant Aselsan. The Tolun is a miniature precision-guided bomb designed to be carried internally or externally on combat platforms. Compact in size yet highly effective, it allows aircraft to maintain stealth profiles while striking high-value or fortified targets with pinpoint accuracy. For Kızılelma, the ability to carry Tolun munitions means it can engage in deep strike missions, suppress enemy air defenses, or neutralize mobile targets, all while minimizing radar detection. Its modular design allows it to be deployed in multiple configurations, expanding the range of tactical options for operators. Integrating an advanced weapon system like Tolun transforms Kızılelma from an experimental drone into a true multi-role UCAV, capable of both defensive and offensive operations across contested airspaces. Bayraktar's vision. From TB2 to Kızılelma. Bayraktar Technologies has become a household name in global defense discussions due to the success of its Bayraktar TB2 drone, which played a pivotal role in conflicts in Libya, Syria, Nagorno-Karabakh, and Ukraine. Lightweight, affordable, and effective, the TB2 demonstrated how small drones could alter the course of conflicts by destroying armored vehicles, artillery, and even sophisticated air defense systems. The Kızılelma project, however, represents Bayraktar's most ambitious leap yet. Announced only a few years ago, it was initially met with skepticism due to the challenges of producing a jet-powered, stealth-capable combat drone. But progress has been remarkably swift. Kızılelma completed its maiden flight in December 2022 and has since undergone rigorous testing phases, with milestones in avionics, structural durability, weapons integration, and propulsion now being reported in rapid succession. Selçuk Bayraktar, the CTO of Bayraktar, has repeatedly emphasized that the project is not merely about producing another drone but about transforming the very philosophy of air combat. He envisions Kızılelma operating alongside Turkey's future fighter jets, acting as a loyal wingman, carrying out high-risk missions, and overwhelming adversaries with swarms of intelligent, fast, and heavily armed unmanned aircraft. Strategic implications for Turkey. Kızılelma's recent advancements must also be viewed in the broader context of Turkey's strategic defense doctrine. Over the past 2 decades, Ankara has invested heavily in indigenous defense projects, aiming to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers who have often imposed embargoes or restrictions on critical technologies. From armored vehicles to naval platforms, missile systems, and aerospace projects, Turkey's domestic industry has grown rapidly, culminating in high-profile achievements like the TFX, KAAN, 5th-generation fighter project and the Anadolu amphibious assault ship, which is envisioned to serve as a drone carrier. By equipping Kızılelma with both supersonic capability and precision munitions, Turkey is demonstrating that it seeks not just to fill a gap in drone warfare, but to lead globally in next-generation air combat systems. Defense analysts point out that very few nations, perhaps only the US, China, and Russia, are working on similar projects, and even fewer have achieved the kind of test milestones Turkey is now reporting.